What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and we are getting ready to decorate. Look at all the stuff. Stuff. More stuff. Even more stuff after that. And I'm making more snowflakes. With Eddie's help, of course. Looks like Santa's workshop in here. What you making?
A snowman.
Very cool. Very watery. Eddie, are you bored? And more wooden snowflakes.
I'm just hoping it lasts, you know?
Holy cow! That's a big wreath.
Yeah, I was really happy with that. I feel like it should last.
By the way, in case I didn't mention, all these decorations are going downtown Montello to the waterfall setup. Good morning, everybody. It is obviously the next day, on a very wintry day, I might add. Of course, the coldest day of the season is the day we decided to decorate the downtown waterfalls. So that's what we're doing today. We're getting all prepped and ready to go. So the goal is to turn that waterfall area right there. Yep, that one right there. Yep, look a little closer. That one. Fill it up with Christmas decorations. I shouldn't say Christmas.
Hey, grab
It's gonna be a winter decoration. Hey,
I'm standing in the road.
I'm making cinema here.
Come on, I know. Good cinema. Let's grab the... We gotta go.
Slave driver. And more stuff. Look at all the beautiful snowflakes. By the way, we made a video of us making these. You can go check that out if you want. We have now glitterified these snowflakes. I don't know. Hopefully we got enough lights. I guess we will see. And today's working headquarters will be Bloom Hair Studio, downtown Montello, Wisconsin. We are not too far across the street from the waterfall, so we got a place to warm up on this blustery, cold winter day. All right, looking like I'll probably be doing a lot of running back and forth to the shop. I gotta do a little work in there, make some stands for the reindeer and the snowman, kind of do stuff like that. I'm gonna go now and grab a wagon for them guys so they can haul stuff from the salon across the street to the waterfall. Also today in Montello they have something called the Holiday Trails. Local businesses participate and have local vendors in their businesses selling items. So who knows how long it's gonna take to decorate these waterfalls. There's a lot of work ahead of us. And the thing is, when we're done with that, we gotta decorate the salon. Back at the shop, I'm gonna try making some wood stands for these reindeer so they can stand up there on the waterfall. Not sure what I got. Hopefully I got something laying around for that. I'll also have to make something for the snowman here. I mean, you gotta admit, this is pretty gorgeous. Wow, it's really coming down now. So I made some little wood pegs here, screwed them down through the feet. Then it should be nice and solid now. You gotta love it. It's just one of them days where 1 minute you're in a complete blizzard, and the next minute you got sunny blue skies. but give it a minute. It'll change. Had our nephew Jesse go out, cut us down some birch or poplar. Not exactly sure which one it is. We're gonna add some of this to the decorations downtown. I also got a stash of birch here from our wedding last year. So looking at this and looking at that stuff, I think that stuff over there is poplar. This is for sure birch here. All right, got a bunch of parts and pieces there. Hopefully that's enough. It should be. Old Montello is bustling today. It was also the first day of gun deer season here in Wisconsin. So we have a lot of tourists around town this weekend. Check it out, guys. From on top of the waterfall here. It was sunny literally 30 seconds ago.
We're going dark. Set it. Okay, we'll set it this way.
Now that's a wreath.
Oh, and they're beeping at us.
You just hold this.
Busy. It's cold, but we're getting there. Bad lighting here, guys. Sorry. We're getting there. I just got a little bit of video for you. We gotta drill it. It will fall down. But we gotta see where you want this loop. He's gonna. Yep. He'll bring this.
There are your birch pieces lining the front of the falls here. America.
So you want to step back?
We're about ready to take a lunch break, folks. We will be back. I always like the looks of these 3 Christmas trees on this board here. One of these days I'm gonna take that design and make an art piece.
Like 10-second clips are good, and then restart it. Oh, my phone. Oh my god. Oh, we lost one. Oh, anybody need a drill? Just want everybody to see, look at this freaking snow just a blowing. Oh, there's Joe. It's really, it's sunny out, but the snow is just blowing.
So I ran up to Holiday Shopping Center, went to the sports section, got me some 80-pound braided fishing line. That's what we're gonna try hanging that big old wreath from. Hopefully it's strong enough. I haven't got red to match the rocks. Well, it's almost dark. I was hoping we'd be further along, but we're gonna keep pushing on, working on some lights, getting them deer set back up, and we'll see how far we get tonight. That's right, guys. It is a whopping 10 degrees outside. Good morning, everybody. It is yet another day. Today is November 20th, and it is a Sunday. It's looking like it's a balmy 14, 15 degrees. So Chris and I are back at it, heading back down to the waterfall and continue on with that project. Yesterday, downtown Montello was a bustling. Today, it's peaceful and quiet.
From not being able to wear gloves, I was not cold at all. Like, at all. At all.
We're hardy northerners. We're built for this stuff. Looking like another beautiful day here in Montello. It's finally starting to look like something, folks. It's about, what, noon on Sunday? Something like that. We decided to take a little break.
We'll have to get a new window.
We can't ever complain about our view out the front window of Bloom Hair Studio. And Bloom's studio is currently trashed. It's like Santa's workshop in here. We gotta be open for business tomorrow morning. Gonna walk up to Quick Trip, get a little lunchtime snack. It's just an optical illusion.
It's an optical illusion. Don't bully me.
And I'll just point it at us.
And you'll figure it out.
And we'll be like,
You sit next to Joe.
because I take the photo off of the video.
Okay.
Just, yeah, point it at us.
Okay. You just want to sit? Can you guys sit?
I don't want to block the corner.
Yeah, but I think give him a nice. What if
I thought it was already in something. You guys are gonna just smile like, I'll say 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, how are your
Just let her roll. Get it close as you can though.
Oh, the wagon's in there.
Good. Alright.
Okay, there, it's cute.
Alright, 1, 2, smile at that down like you're taking a picture right now. Alright,
Okay?
let's see what we got.
funny?
Oh, we'll make it work, yeah. Just let her
We
roll.
always
Let
do
her roll.
stupid stuff. Now he'll put
There.
that in the bloopers and it'll
Just
be
so
great.
you know,
Right?
she is the one that took our thumbnail. Thank you, Sarah. Alright guys, that's gonna be about it for today. Gotta get back in the salon and clean this place up. I'm not sure if we're gonna end this video yet, so hang on. I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, we got the salon cleaned up and we are calling it a day down here. There's some touching up to do yet down here, but we'll deal with that later. We're probably about 95% done. So we're gonna call it good for now anyway. On that note, I'm probably gonna end the video here. We will come down tonight, get some footage of it in the dark, see what it looks like. And you can see that here, so stay tuned. But I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. It's been a blast.